Welcome to KPL Kids. Today I have a story about two little birds, and we're going to start by doing a song you might know about two little blackbirds. Can you show me two little birds? Two little blackbirds sitting on a hill, one named Jack and one named Jill. Fly away, Jack, fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack, come back, Jill. Now we're going to do it with some other colors. What color are these birds? Bluebirds. So we have two little bluebirds sitting on a cloud. One named Soft and one named Loud. Fly away, Soft. Fly away, Loud. Come back, Soft. Come back, Loud. Two little bluebirds sitting on a cloud. Two little red birds sitting in some snow. One named Fast and one named Slow. Fly away fast. Fly away slow. Come back fast. Come back slow. Two little red birds sitting in the snow. Two little green birds sitting on a pig. One named Small and one named Big. Fly away small, fly away big. Come back small, come back big. Two little green